Okay, grade 2. Are you ready for our time multiplication challenge? Okay, our maths challenge. So, first thing I want you to do, not write Tuesday. There you write your own name. So I will do that too. Then teacher, it's a bit. Score, this I will fill in, you don't fill anything in. And then the date, today is the 19-5-2020. Okay, so pause the video and do that. Then after you've done that, I want you to take a look at the sums. Don't write anything, pencils down. This is mine, I'm putting it down, okay? Doesn't even matter, but okay. 12 times 2. 9 times 1, 2 times 1. I want you to get that brain working, start thinking. 11 times 1, 12 times 3, 2 times 3. No writing anything down, I'm just reading through it. See if you can make some of the sums in your mind already. 10 times 3, 11 times 2, 9 times 1, 5 times 1, 4 times 3, 5 times 2, 1 times 3, 7 times 3, and 10 times 3. Now before you guys get freaked out, remember the rules. Anything times 1, anything that is multiplied by 1 stays exactly the same. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. Don't write anything down, you are still just listening. Then, anything times 2 just means double. So 1 times 2 is the same as 1 plus 1, which means 2. 2 times 2 is the same as 2 plus 2, which is 4. 3 times 2, which is the same as 3 plus 3, is 6. Okay, so just remember, anything times 2 means double. And when it comes to times 3, you either have to go memorize your times tables, or you just count in threes that many times. So if it is 1 times 3, you count to 3 once. If it is 2 times 3, 3, 6. If it's 3 times 3, 3, 6, 9. It's a tongue twister. Okay, I'm going to time you with this adorable owl clock that Miss Profate gave me. So 2 minutes, and then you must have finished this entire page, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Don't pause the video, keep it going. Fill in. I'm gonna try. If you're finished, just wait it out. It's almost done. Get another color. Sure. Okay, you guys, I think it's over. I don't know if this timer is working properly, but okay. Time's up. Put down your pencils. Put down your pencils and grab another color pencil so that we can mark. Okay, so here are the answers. You mark. If it is wrong, make a cross and write the correct answer in a different color pencil. Okay, this is my blue one. So 12 times 2, 24, because I just doubled 12. 9 times 1, any number that you times with 1 stays the same, so 9. 2 times 1 is 2. 11 times 1, 11. 12 times 3, I count in threes 12 times, 36. 2 times 3 means double 3, 6. 10 times 3, when you times with 10, remember, the number always gets a 0 at the back, so this becomes 30. 11 times 2, 22. Remember, any number times 11 becomes 2 of that same number. 9 times 1, 9. 5 times 1, 5. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 2, 10. 1 times 3, 3. 7 times 3, 21. And 10 times 3, 30. Good. When you are done with that one, we are moving on to the next one immediately. First thing you do, write your name at the top. Write Miss Itzabet. Leave the score open. I'm filling that in, and then 19-5-2020. Again, you are going to get 2 minutes for this. Do not pause the video once you start writing, because you need to hear when to stop, and I'm timing it properly. So when it's, just leave the video going. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. If you are finished, just let this play out. Remember, anything times 10 just gets a 0 at the back. Times 5 means you count in fives. Times 1 stays the same. Okay, this thing doesn't ding, so stop. All right, everybody stop, pencils down. Pencils down. Okay, here come the answers. Are you ready? Get your different colored pencil in front of you. Gray pencil out of the way. We are marking. Good. So, 9 times 5, 45, because I count in fives 9 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 4 times 5, 20 for the same reason. 4 times 1, anything that I times with 1 stays the same, so 4. 1 times 10 is 10. 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 10 is 20. Anything times with 10 just gets a 0 at the back. 10 times 1 is 10. 0 times 5 is 0. I just realized I never explained this. Grow 2. If I have absolutely nothing in my hand, here's my hand. I have nothing in it. Okay, this is, I'm always playing with things. Why? Am I such a child? Okay. I have nothing in my hand, okay? Now you give me 5 more of nothing. How much do I have? What do I have? Do I now magically have something in my hand? No. Nothing times 1 billion still means you have nothing. Because you gave me nothing with, or nothing extra, you just gave me more nothing. So 0 times something will always be 0. 0 times 5, 0 means nothing. I have nothing, you give me 5 more. Do I now all of a sudden have something? No. I still have nothing. So 0. 10 times 1 is 10, 0 times 1 is 0, 7 times 5, 35, 5 times 1 is 5, 10 times 5 is 50, 8 times 5 is 40, 1 times 10 is 10, 0 times 5 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 9 times 1 is 9, 2 times 5 is 10, and 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, don't worry. I want these back exactly the way they are in front of you now with you marked, even though you marked them, because I just want to see who still needs maybe some more help in that area. I need to know if you guys are struggling. So leave it as it is. I'm not going to be angry at anybody. But great job. I know you tried your best. And I know these timed activities kind of make people all flustered. They do to me. So it's just, you must go memorize your times tables, okay? These are things that you are going to be using. This is something you will use for the rest of your life. A lot of teachers say that about things and then it's not true, but this is one of them. You are going to use this for the rest of your life, so go memorize your times tables. All right, good job with your maths today.